Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you become a better digital marketer by sharing some of the most important things you need to know about digital marketing right now. Digital marketing might seem complicated, but it is actually pretty straightforward. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of key strategies that will level up your marketing game. So, let's dive right into it. Let us talk more about how digital marketing and traditional marketing are different. Digital marketing is when businesses use the internet and computers to advertise. They do this through things like making their websites show up on Google, using social media like Facebook, paying for ads when you click on them, sending emails to people, and more. Basically, it is all about using the internet and technology to get the word out about products or services. On the other hand, traditional marketing is when businesses advertise without using the internet. This means they might put ads on TV, play commercials on the radio, publish ads in newspapers and magazines, or put up big signs along the road. Digital marketing has some big advantages. First, it can reach a lot of people because so many folks use the internet. Second, it can be very specific about who sees the ads. This means businesses can show their ads to just the right people. Third, it can be cheaper than traditional marketing. Fourth, businesses can see how well their ads are doing right away, and they can change them quickly if they need to. Lastly, digital marketing is good at keeping track of everything. Businesses can measure exactly how well their ads are working and how many people are clicking on them or buying things because of the ads. Remember, the key is not whether you choose digital or traditional marketing, but rather the strategies and fundamentals you apply to them. Focus on understanding consumer psychology and buyer behavior, and you will excel in any channel. Moving on, let's delve into the crucial distinction between strategy and tactics in digital marketing. Strategy is the big picture. It is where you should lay your foundation. If you get your strategy wrong, nothing else will work. It is all about the core four: model, market, message, and media. Your model is your business, your offer, pricing, and how you deliver your product or service. Design it around what's most enjoyable, profitable, and in demand by your market. The market is your ideal customer or client. Be laser focused on who will get the best results from your offering. Create an ideal customer avatar with demographic and psychographic details. Your message is how you communicate your value to your market. It is about crafting compelling content and positioning your brand effectively. Media is the channels you use to reach your audience, be it social media, email, or any other platform. Choose the media that aligns with your market and message. To wrap up, understanding the differences between digital and traditional marketing and grasping the concepts of strategy and tactics will make you a better digital marketer. Remember, the core four principles are at the heart of any successful marketing campaign. That's all for today's video on the fundamentals of digital marketing. And in our next video, we will be delving more on how to know the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.